Practical examples of AI application as a creative. Module 3. AI for video generation. This is a hands-on walkthrough for creatives who want to produce professional video content without a camera crew, studio, or editing team. You don't need to be an expert videographer anymore. Video used to be the most expensive, most technical form of content to produce. You needed a camera, lighting, a location, actors or presenters, and hours of editing skill just to put together something usable, let alone something polished enough for a brand or client. AI has changed that. Video generation tools now let you describe a scene in plain text and receive a finished video clip in return. No camera, no studio, no crew. Whether you want an abstract, stylized visual or a realistic scene featuring a real person, AI can generate it from a well-written prompt or even from a single uploaded image. The shift. Just like graphic design, video creation has moved from a technical skill to a communication skill. If you can write a clear scene description, you can direct a video even without ever touching a camera. AI tools for video generation. In this course, we'll be working with Google Flow, powered by Google's VO video generation models. What is Google Flow? Google Flow is Google's AI filmmaking tool built on top of its video VO generation engine. It lets you generate video clips directly from text prompts without needing any video editing or production background. It supports two broad creative directions: abstract or stylized video, motion graphics, abstract visuals, and realistic lifelike video, people, real-world scenes, product shots. You can also upload your own image, such as a photo of yourself, a client, or a product, and use it as a reference so that that person or object appears in the generated video. It's built for simplicity. Most of the interface is a text box where you describe your scene plus a few settings for rotation and generation engine. You can access it here by going to www.labs.google/fx/tools/flow or search Google Flow on Google Chrome browser and click the first link that comes out. Free credit and practical notes. Google Flow currently gives signed-in users 50 free daily credits, no subscription required, which refreshes once every 24 hours after your first generation of the day. Unused daily credits do not roll over, so it's worth planning your generation rather than experimenting endlessly. Free daily credits are limited to specific view model tiers, typically the light and fast versions, while higher quality or longer generations may require a paid plan. Because credit allocations and free tier terms are updated by Google from time to time, always check the current balance and terms shown inside your own signed-in Flow account before planning a shoot around it. Practical example: creating a promo video with AI. Just like we used AI to create a flyer for this course, in the previous module, we are now going to use AI to generate a promo video for this same course, from script to finished edited clip. Step A. Write the script first. If you were working for a client, you'd usually be handed a script directly. When you are generating your own content, you write the script yourself, or better yet, you generate a script with AI. There are two common approaches once you have a script. 1. Generate a voiceover file and pair it with separately generated video clips. Or 2. Generate a script written around a character who speaks on camera in each scene, which Flow can then turn directly into talking video clips. We'll use the second approach for this example. Here is a prompt to generate the course script. You are an expert video script writer for a social media ad. Write a 45 to 60 second promotional video script for a course called AI for Career Creatives. Structure it as follows. Start with a relatable pain point that social media managers, copywriters, marketers, and designers face today. Then position the course as a solution to that pain point. Include 2 to 3 lines on what the course covers, AI fundamentals, prompting, and 4 practical creative applications, and end with a clear call to action telling viewers to click the link below to join the class for free. Keep the tone energetic, direct, and conversational, written as if a single presenter is speaking straight to the camera. When you put this prompt into AI, you could get a response like this. Still spending hours on content that used to take a whole team? Yeah, me too. Until I found out AI could do most of it in minutes. I'm talking flyers, video, pitch decks, voiceovers, all from single well-written prompt. That's exactly what you learn inside AI for Career Creatives. 2 modules, real tools, real prompts you can reuse for any client. No design or video background needed. Ready to work smarter? Click the link below and join the class for free. Step 2. Turn the script into scene-by-scene prompts. Video generation tools work in short clips, usually no more than 10 seconds each, which are then pieced together into one complete video. So the next step is converting your script into a set of scene-by-scene prompts. Copy the script response from step A, then give the AI a new instruction to break it down into scenes. Prompt to break the script into scenes. Turn the script below into a series of 10-second video scenes. For each scene, describe what the presenter is doing and specify exactly what they are saying in that scene, so the dialogue can be used directly as a video generation prompt. Number each scene in order so they can be generated and pieced together into one continuous video. Paste the script here. When you do this and you feed it into AI, whether you're using Gemini or ChatGPT, as the case may be, you could get a response like this. 0 to 10 seconds. A Nigerian creative professional sits at a desk, speaking directly to the camera with a slightly frustrated expression, saying, "Still spending hours on content that used to take a whole team." 10 to 20 seconds. Same presenter, now smiling, leaning forward saying, "Yeah, me too, until I found out AI could do most of it in minutes." 20 to 30 seconds. Presenter gestures towards an imaginary screen beside him saying, "I'm talking flyers, videos, pitch decks, voiceovers, all from a single well-written prompt." 30 to 40 seconds. Presenter speaks with confident energy, saying, "That's exactly what you learn inside AI for Career Creatives. 2 modules, real tools, real prompts you can reuse." 40 to 50 seconds. Presenter points towards the camera with a warm inviting tone, saying, "Ready to work smarter? Click the link below and join the class for free." Notice how the script has now been converted from a single flowing paragraph into individual generation ready video prompts, each one short enough for a single clip, with its own clear visual direction and dialogue. Remember earlier I said that you could actually use your own picture to create AI videos. So if I wanted to use a particular image to create each of the scenes, essentially saying that the presenter being talked about in the above prompt is me, what I will do is I will upload a picture of myself, a clear picture of myself, and I will modify the prompt. Essentially what I will now say is, using the attached image, create a video of a Nigerian creative professional who is sitting at a desk speaking directly to the camera with a slightly frustrated expression, saying, "Still spending hours on content that used to take a whole team." The same thing applies. I will go ahead and always add this prompt to forms using the attached image. The reason why I'm adding using the attached image to each of the prompts is to create consistency in the video being created. I'll go ahead and also, so the second prompt becomes, using the attached image, create a video of the same presenter now smiling and leaning forward saying, "Yeah, me too, until I found out AI could do most of it in minutes." But looking at the nature of this second prompt, it works. For the third, I'm also going to attach, using the attached image, create a video of the presenter while he gestures towards an imaginary screen beside them saying, "I'm talking flyers, videos, pitch decks, voiceovers, all from a single well-written prompt." The same applies for the remaining 2 prompts. I will always add, using the attached image, create a video of a presenter, and I will also add, using the attached image, create a video of the presenter. Notice how the script has now been converted from a single flowing paragraph into individual generation ready video prompts, each one short enough for a single clip with its own clear visual direction and dialogue. And also notice how the prompt was modified such that I can use an uploaded picture of myself in the video to make the video look very realistic to my audience. Step 3. Generate the scenes in Google Flow. Head on to Google Flow at www.labs.google/fx/tool/flow and sign in with your Google account. Scroll down and click New Project. If you want to feature a real person, yourself or client, as a character in the video, click the plus sign at the top right corner and upload their image. Click the settings icon at the lower right of the command box on desktop/PC to configure your generation default. Set your orientation, portrait or landscape, depending on where the video will be published. Portrait for Reels, TikTok and Shorts, landscape for YouTube or a website. Choose 1x for a single generation per prompt so you don't burn through multiple credits generating several versions of the same scene at once. Choose your video generation NG. OmniFlash is the default selected NG and works well for most social content. Save your settings. Copy the video prompt from Scene 1 from your breakdown and paste it into the command box. Then click Generate. If a scene should feature your uploaded image as a character, click the 3-dot menu at the top right corner of the uploaded image and select Add to Scene before generating. Then go ahead and add your prompts. The prompts that we had talked about earlier. Using the attached image, create a video of a Nigerian creative professional who sits at a desk speaking directly to the camera with a slightly frustrated expression saying, "Still spending hours of content that used to take a whole team." Repeat this process for each remaining scene, generating and reviewing one at a time. Once you are happy with a generated scene, save it by right-clicking the video and selecting Download or Save. Note: if you don't specify the nationality of the characters in your scene prompt, Flow will often default to generating foreign-looking characters, which can be counterproductive if you're specifically trying to reach a Nigerian audience. Always describe the presenter's nationality or regional identity explicitly in your prompt. You can also take it a step further and make more descriptions about their look: mid-40s, tall, plump, slim, and the likes. If you need to correct a scene, you can adjust the prompt and regenerate. But remember, this uses up more of your daily credits each time. If you are producing several scenes and revisions, you may need multiple Google accounts for additional free credit, or a paid plan for more generation capacity. Step 4. Post-production. Once all your scenes are generated and downloaded, the final step is assembling them into one polished video. Open a video editing app or software. CapCut or Adobe Pro are both good options, one mobile friendly and one more advanced. Import all your generated scenes.
Yeah, me too.
Import all of your generated scene clips into the project in the correct order. Add transitions between scenes to keep the flow smooth rather than abrupt. Add background music that matches the energy of your script. Add subtitles/captions. Most viewers watch social videos on mute, so this is essential, not optional. Make any final color, pacing, or timing adjustments. You can
That's exactly what you learn inside AI for Career Creatives.
export
2
your
modules,
finished video.
real tools, real
Voila.
prompts you can reuse.
You've just created a promo video for this course using AI, from script to final export, without a camera, studio, or production crew.
Used to take a whole team. Still spending hours on content that used to take a whole team? Yeah, me too. Reuse. Ready to work smarter? Click the link below and join the class. Still spending hours on content that used to take... I could pitch decks, all from a single well-written prompt. For Career Creatives. 2 modules, real tools, real prompts.
Exercise. Now it's your turn to practice. Create a promo video for your own business or personal brand using the same process: script, scene breakdown, generation in Google Flow, and post-production editing. Once finished, upload it to the community group chat. Conclusion. Video used to be the hardest, most resource-heavy format for any creative to produce. With AI video generation, that barrier is gone. You now have a repeatable process: script, scene breakdown, generation, and post-production that lets you turn any idea into a finished video without a camera, actors, or studio. This single skill compounds across everything else you do as a creative. A social media manager can now produce daily video content without a videographer on standby. A copywriter can pitch clients with a working video mock-up instead of just a script on paper. A marketer can test 5 different videos, add and goals in a single afternoon instead of a single week. Mastering AI video generation doesn't just save time, it changes what you're capable of offering as a creative and how quickly you can improve it. You don't need a production team to tell a great story on video. You need a clear script, a well broken down scene list, and the confidence to hit generate.
Still spending hours on content that used to take a whole team? Yeah, me too. Until I found out AI could do most of it in minutes. I'm talking flyers, videos, pitch decks, voiceovers, all from a single well-written prompt. That's exactly what you'll learn inside AI for Career Creatives. 2 modules, real tools, real prompts you can reuse. Ready to work smarter? Click the link below and join the class for free.